Oh guys, good afternoon. Murag kaulan na dito pizza may what do you call this? Martinez na area or Muaan. As you can see. Wow. May I interview you, the boy. What is your thoughts about our ride? Now?
Because these are already hungry because
What?
I have
Yeah. I don't do it. Oh no, I'm wrong. Yo, lunch pala.
my tummy is so empty.
Empty. Don't have any carbohydrates on your stomach, right? Medyo makulan nun. Dark? What dark? Sky? What sky?
The clouds is so very dark now.
Abante, abante. Una, una. Una, boy.
So
Truck.
close right now. We need to cafe now in the Grill and Green.
Green.
Grill and Green. I grill. Green.
You're wrong.
I wrong because
What?
I'm so
Hungry?
busy right now.
Busy?
So ride this Lumabis. Martinez.
It's raining.
It's raining right now. We need to pass it because it's so raining.
Oh, you may go fast now. You must hurry. Because Cyril is going over there. It's so fast and we're raining. Where can we go to find a shelter? So we take, oh no, this rider. Oh, he might take it. Oh, riders. Oh, yamite. Woo. Go uncle. What?
The gays. Gay.
What? Gays?
Gay.
Oh, gay.
Here because he wants.
He wants you or he wants your friend also?
Oh, okay. That.
That's okay, you know.
That's okay. He needs the
He needs to be your side.
penis. He wants to.
Penis? Oh no, that's bad in our video.
Because he is a gay. It's not a girl.
Gi. 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 Gidungog. Cyril, you don't hear our conversations right now.
It's so fun.
You're so proud of yourself. Yeah. Was out yung mga idol dia. Wala yung mga ride niyo kanina. Kami nag-ride midray kay hapon namin nag-ride guys kay di ulan kanina ang buntag. Kadlawon day pala. Brother. Nakakapagod. Pero that's okay. We're going Lumabis also. Oh my god. So hard. Cyril.
Let's go home to now.
We're going home. But we're not. It's so hard
It's so early.
in the afternoon.
Cyril, you need to camera?
Speak to the camera. What?
No.
What do you feel about our ride?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
It's lighting.
You speak in the camera. Camera.
Come on, guys. No. I say please.
Speak English. No? You don't go to school? Why? Si Ate is smiling.